Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to show you that how you can convert your 12 volt RAM 1.4 board into 24 volt. So I have already converted into 24 volt. So I am going to tell you that how you can convert. So for conversion you are going to need two things. The first one is these two pins that you are going to insert into the board so that you can put this fuse into the board. The second thing is this fuse. This fuse is 10 ampere fuse. You can purchase it from any automobile shop. You can see here this is 10 ampere fuse and these two pins you are going to need for that. When you will purchase new board, you will see this fuse here. To convert into 24 volt, you will have to remove this fuse from the board by using soldering iron, and after that you will have to insert these two pins into the holes. You can see here these two pins are inserted into the board, and after that you can insert the fuse into these two pins. So after inserting the fuse, you will have to do one more change in the board. As you can see the diode here, I have cut the connection of diode from the board. This diode is used for the transmission of power from this board to Arduino. But after cutting this diode, you will have to power the Arduino from another source. You can connect the power supply directly to Arduino by using charger adapter, and you cannot connect Arduino board directly with it after cutting this diode. If you don't cut this diode, it will burn out the Arduino, as this board was made for the 12 volt conversion into 5 volt for Arduino, but you are going to change into 24 volt, so for that you will have to cut this diode. So just these two changes and you can use your board for 24 volt. I hope you like this video. For more videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.